Mr. Per Hagnes, ICA Foundation CEO, representatives of development partners and UN agencies, distinguished participants. I warmly welcome you all to this linked event, co-hosted by the Government of Ethiopia and the ICA Foundation under the facilitation of the UNHCR. I wish to express my profound appreciation to the ICA Foundation for its invaluable partnership in co-hosting the Malkadida Refugee Compact and Kabribaya Integration Roadmap. These remarkable initiatives are demonstrations to our joint efforts to address the climate-induced refugee situation in Ethiopia. Distinguished participants, Ethiopia has a long history of opening its arms to those who are forced to leave their homelands. This is a testament to the generosity and unwavering commitment of our people to uphold the principle of humanity. As stated in different occasions, currently Ethiopia is one of the largest refugee hosting countries in Africa. We are committed to support the realization of hopes and aspirations of over 1 million refugees in close collaboration with our development partners. Let me reiterate that we would redouble our endeavors to honor our international responsibility by promoting genuine global solidarity. Protecting and integrating refugees require a multi-stakeholder partnership. In this regard, the private sector has an important role in the implementation of the objective of the Global Compact on refugees through entrepreneurship, innovation, and mobilization of resources. The initiative that we are discussing today is a clear example of an effective partnership between the Ethiopian government and the ICA Foundation. In line with our commitment to a local integration, Ethiopia has made significant strides to integrate refugees into national policies and basic services. As I announced yesterday at the plenary session, the government of Ethiopia has made additional pledges. These are climate action, the transformation of 2 refugee camps into urban settlements, the integration of refugees into national systems, fostering enabling environment for private sector investment in the refugee hosting regions, ensuring access to land irrigation schemes, and accelerating access to digital connectivity and documentation. Ladies and gentlemen, building upon our achievements, it is my pleasure that today we are presenting the groundbreaking initiatives, the Malkadida Refugee Compact and the Kabribaya Roadmap. These undertakings developed by the Ethiopian government in close collaboration with ICA and UNHCR promotes innovative approaches to local inclusion, resilience, climate adaptation in the Somali region of Ethiopia. The promising outcomes through the contribution of the ICA Foundation in Dolo Ado has inspired these initiatives. What we are witnessing is an exemplary philanthropic impact investment with unparalleled scale implemented within a refugee settings. I therefore extend our deepest gratitude to the ICA Foundation and its CEO, Mr. Per Hagnes, for the pioneering results. Since 1991, the Ethiopian government has committed to facilitate its transformation with more than 18,000 refugee population into an urban settlement in the coming 4 years. This transformation will enable the mutually beneficial integration of refugees and host communities, fostering a peaceful and prosperous environment in the Somali regional state of Ethiopia. Distinguished participants, the initiatives can only be realized through the active engagement of the private sector, development partners, and all stakeholders committed to support local solutions and climate adaptation measures in refugee settings. I call upon all stakeholders, particularly the private sector, to join hands to demonstrate their innovative partnership. Let us strive to empower refugees and host communities to make them self-sufficient, resilient, and equipped to overcome challenges they face. Finally, I would like to reaffirm Ethiopia's steadfast determination to collaborate with all stakeholders to transform the lives of refugees and their host communities. Thank you once again for joining us, as well as for your unwavering commitment to the cause of refugees. I thank you.